Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and you're watching this video because you want to know how to get the best PandaBuy discount codes for 2024. Now, PandaBuy is specially used by, it's basically an intermediary delivery service, but it's pretty expensive, what with the price of shipping out of China today. And basically, guys, this method of getting PandaBuy promo codes is going to save you a bunch of money. Or you can actually get a $100 discount code. Alternatively, you can even get a free shipping discount code. So I'm going to be recording my mobile and showing you how you can go about getting your PandaBuy promo codes. And of course, these work in the new year. So open up your internet on your phone, and you need to go to this website, guys. www.topdogcodes.com. So pause the video, copy the website exactly how I've typed it here, because you definitely need to go to this website. And this website is awesome. They've actually saved me a bunch of money already this year. But yeah, you can go to this search bar at the top of the page and just search for Panda, and you should see PandaBuy's coupons and deals. So all you need to do is tap on that page to open it up and scroll down. Now you can see there are various different codes that you can choose. So you're going to have to do some calculating to work out which code is going to be more financially beneficial for you. You can see there is a $100 PandaBuy promo code. There's a 50% off your next order code, and there is also a free shipping on your next order. So basically, guys, whatever code is going to save you the most, choose that one. So I'm just going to choose the $100 promo code in this example. So tap show coupon, and you can see, guys, this is the start of the code here. We need to unlock each and every code that we get from Top Dog Codes. Obviously, these are pretty valuable, and yeah, this is just a way to protect them and prevent robots from stealing all of these PandaBuy codes. So tap unlock code. Now, there is a short process to unlock your PandaBuy promo code, but it's pretty easy, and of course I'm going to be talking through how to do it. So you're now going to see this screen here, which is basically a verification page, and you can see we have a set of instructions telling us how to unlock our promo code. So it says at the top here, it says complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below. And on my screen, you can see, guys, I have a list of free tasks. And you can read the small print below each one of them telling you how you can go ahead and complete them. So basically, guys, you just need to select any 2 tasks on this list. So this one is basically going to take me to the App Store. This is a free game, so you can see Family Island. So let's see, I need to download that one and complete level 8. And then I'm also going to do this survey where it says enter your email, so the PayPal one. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to ask me some very simple questions, and then I got to input my correct and valid email address. So let me go ahead and complete both of those tasks you saw me open up, and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, so that did take me around 10 minutes. I just went ahead and completed those 2 tasks you saw there. So I downloaded that Family Island game, and then I had to play that free game until I got to level 8, completed level 8, so I got to level 9. And then this survey, I just had to basically answer those quick questions, and then I input my email address. So yeah, that should be fully verified now. So because I've completed 2 of these tasks, I'm going to press my tabs button, and you can now see I've got this PandaBuy coupons tab down here, which I can click on, and now I have my promo code for PandaBuy, which is going to give me $100 off my next order. So all I have to do is basically enter this into the checkout process on PandaBuy, and it's going to remove $100, and I'm going to be using this one very shortly. So by the time this video is uploaded, that's going to be an invalid code. So you need to get your own, guys. You can either get the free shipping, 50%, whatever you want. Go to topdogcodes.com, and hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, go ahead, hit that like button. If you need any help obtaining your code, you can leave a comment below, but it's pretty easy if you follow all of these steps. And enjoy your PandaBuy discounts, guys. Peace out.